Sunday the 2nd of August 2026. We went for a walk around Lesmurdie Falls today, and unfortunately a really bad accident with some young child falling down the actual waterfall itself needed to be rescued. And this is the scene when we got back to our car park with emergency service people having rescued the young child. We're not sure of his condition at this stage, but it appeared that he was severely injured. Anyway, here's some of the video I took of the actual walk around the Lesmurdie Falls waterfall. A beautiful place, and it was a nice sunny day, and we spent a couple of hours walking around and got back around about 7 o'clock in the dark.